I'm in like my hermit crab mode because the new Pokemon Legends Arceus game came out yesterday for Switch. So me and Scott, whenever there's a new Pokemon game out, we kind of make sure that that day is free and we just play it non-stop. I think I've done like 9 hours so far. It's Saturday now. I have a wonderful spot right in the middle of my Cupid's bow. I don't usually get that many spots, like I'm quite fortunate. But when I do, it's like here or like here or like here or here, and it's just very big and red because I'm obviously quite fair-skinned. So that's been fun. I was like thinking, I never updated you guys on my Balenciaga Trooper boots. And I have to, basically it's Scott's birthday on Monday. So I have to go and pick up, like run some errands, pick up his cake and stuff today. So in my head I was like, actually, this is a perfect time to update you on what size I ended up with in the Trooper boots. And I can wear them for the day outside and show you what they're like walking, how comfy they are, etc. Weird though, so I bought them for $4.50. They've always been $4.50 since they came out. Now, on the Balenciaga website, they're like $5.25, so they've gone up by like £75. And they're releasing them in more colourways now, which I'm gagged about, but I do love the black ones. I also love the leather version as well. I think I have a problem. I definitely have a problem. But yeah. So I'm gonna get myself ready. And we're going to put on the boots, and then we're going to go into London. Central London, should I say. Pokemon's been very, very fun. It's like a whole new style of game from what the originals are like, and I'm obsessed. Okay, so putting together today's outfit. Arcana base set hoodie. This is just an old Topman cap, but it's just plain black, so I feel like it goes pretty well. I just did my eyebrows and a little bit of BB cream and concealer. So we have the Arcana denim, which I launched a couple weeks ago. So I just tucked my t-shirt in here. So these are the worker denim. We've got some like silver detailing here, and then we have like the carpenter thing here. So also, I have worn these boots before for photos so far, and I can tell they are maybe gonna hurt for a while. So I'm gonna double up on the socks. Let me go get another pair of socks. I don't know if this will help. Also, this camera is so fucked. Like, there's a dead pixel somewhere here, and now the like fold-out screen is broken as well. So that's really fun. Also, I don't know if wearing 2 pairs of socks will help at all. I just feel like they need more padding. Okay. So the boots themselves, that is a new faux leather blazer from my friend's brand SLA The Label. I'm so excited. I have the blazer and the trousers. I'll show you like maybe next week some new pieces that I got. The boots themselves, if you don't know about them, I did a video already in depth, so on like the unboxing, so I'll leave that in the description box. But for now, let's put them on. My camera just died, so I swapped to my phone. Hello. So the boots. So I'm usually, let me wipe my phone. So I'm usually UK 8 or 9, so 42, 43. These are a 40. So I had to go like 2 to 3 sizes down for these. And now they fit well, with 2 pairs of socks, a bit more snug. But my toes are like here. So what was happening before in the bigger sizes is that my my heel was really coming up at the back every time I took a step. Also, I don't know if you can tell, but I had my floor lightened because it was like a kind of beigey brown. But yeah, I really wanted it a bit lighter, so had that done. So I'm going to wear my new Frankie Shop coat, which is the John overcoat in the bigger size, which I think is medium large. I love the silhouette so much. Like, it's so pretty. I just love it. So this is going to be my casual look to test out these babies. Sorry for the dirty mirror. So what I want to be testing in the boots is how comfortable they are, how much they get scuffed. Like, they are known to be prone to scuffing because they're rubber boots. I mean, in terms of aesthetics, I already love how they look, but I guess it would be good to see someone actually like spending a day in them and seeing how they are. So I hope this video can kind of like help. Scuffed. Kind of like it. Okay guys, so you've seen the massive scuff on the left one already. I think it's just going to get worse, but I think that's kind of part of it. Like, everyone's pair will look different because they've all been scuffed in different places, if you know what I mean. Also, I'm not going to lie, walking in them is quite difficult. Stairs. Even going down the stairs in my house, it was just like, I was taking like my foot off every step. I don't know how to describe it. Yeah. I'm definitely glad I wore the 2 pairs of socks in them, but basically the plastic comes down to like a bend here, like the rubber, sorry. So it feels very tight here, but loose everywhere else. They look cool though. Hey guys, it's very busy in Central, so I found a little quiet corner to talk to you guys. But basically, I have a point about the boots that I was thinking about, and I was like, do you know what, this is probably important. So, sitting on the tube, my feet were like pulsating, because the bit on the bottom, let me show you. Do you remember the bit I was talking about, like the bit here where it bites down on your actual foot? That bit is so tight, like, but the back is still loose, so my foot is still coming in and out of the back, but that bit at the front is really tight. So then when I was on the train, all I could feel was that bit of my foot like pulsing, and it was like kind of painful, I'm not gonna lie. But then when I started walking, so like when I changed trains or when I got off here at Oxford Circus, the pain stopped. So like when I'm standing and walking, it's absolutely fine. But when I'm sat down or like stood still, it's like, so like now it's a little bit pulsy, which is weird, no? Anyway, I have a few stores to go to and then I have to go and get Scott's cake. So let's carry on. Another random thing as well, we're now officially sold out of the Arcana crossbody bag. So thank you to everyone who's purchased the bag. That is literally insane. I actually usually get Scott's birthday cake from Hummingbird Bakery, like their red velvet one, which we both absolutely love. But this year I've tried something a little bit different. I'll show you guys, because I'm gonna show you the, oh, hello. As I was filming, someone said Gallucks, and it just really caught me off guard. And I go so awkward and weird, but I said hi, right? At least. I've been trying to find a cool place to show you the boots whilst walking, whilst trying to drink my bubble tea whilst carrying Scott's cake, and it's just not going well. I think I found an okay place. So I just want to walk up and down, show you the situation, what's going on with my footsies. Maybe if I pull my jeans up a little bit more so you can kind of see. But basically as I walk, like my heel is coming up to here, but my foot is kept in here. I don't know if this is making sense. Why is my hair doing some weird thing? This curly thing, what is that? I've never seen that before in my life. I feel like this has been a really chaotic trip. In between, this is like the longest time I've worn these boots for, and then trying to like not get hit by people with the cake. I'm gonna give you the full lowdown on the boots when we get home, because I have a lot to say. Have you guys just been looking up my nose this entire time? Because I'm not okay with that. Oh my god, it's really sunny this morning and I don't have any fake tan on, so I literally look like I'm dead. Let me get the boots. Oh my god, this is so much better and I don't look like I'm dead. Okay. So the verdict on these boots. Whoever made these boots hates feet and wants them to die. So I wore them all of yesterday. That's the first time I've worn them for a long period of time. You know I'm in love with Balenciaga, like I'm obsessed with everything they do, but if something isn't comfortable, then I'm going to tell you. My feet were pulsing the whole of yesterday. Like I still love them and I'm still going to wear them. I'm going to tell you my like reasoning for still wearing them. Basically, I have certain items of clothing that are uncomfortable. Like I have tight tops, I have like mesh tops, I have very, you know, uncomfortable jeans. The Helliot Emile like reflective trousers scratched my groin up in New York in 2020. Leather pants that are so sweaty, so uncomfortable. I have like the Marine Stare, really tight tops that, again, sweaty, like uncomfortable. And these are the certain pieces of clothing that I wear to like a friend's birthday or like a dinner, an event, something that I know that I'm only going to be at for a few hours. And that is where these boots fall into for me. Like I'm not going to be, these are not everyday boots. So do not buy these boots thinking that you can wear them going shopping with your friends all day or like going to work, if you know what I mean, because they really fucking hurt. They are very tight here and are very loose at the back. So it's hard to walk and then like the front of your foot hurts and the back doesn't. As you saw from my vlog yesterday, I was finding that stairs were tricky. And then like walking was fine, but standing still hurt. So yeah, that is my like completely honest review. I'm still a huge fan of them and I do want to wear them, like I said, to like specific things where I know I'm not going to be wearing them for a long time. But I just don't want you guys to fall under the impression that these are like everyday boots, because they are not. I love the fact that they scuff. People were like, oh, don't get them, they scuff. And it's like, imagine the whole shoe like covered in those scuffs. Like I think that would be sick, but obviously I have to wear them more, so we'll see about that. But it also leads me to wonder whether the leather version of the Trooper boot would be more comfortable, but I've not tried them on yet, so I'll try them on and let you know. And then in my head as well, I also thought maybe because I sized down so much so the shoe actually fit my foot, that's why it hurt so much. But then like I remember when I tried on the 43, it was so loose, like I couldn't walk at all. So it has to be some kind of tight to like, it has to fit your foot, if you know what I mean. But then I was like, are they so tight, this is why they hurt? Maybe I should have had them like loosely flopping around. Either way, they're a cool design. I just think the comfort level of it needs to be looked into. But yeah, so I want to try the leather ones now as well, I think. Because they might be more of an everyday kind of vibe for it. But the leather ones are like 800 and something, whereas these were 450 and are now 525. They're doing these in more colours as well, which I'm excited about, but now I'm a bit apprehensive because I know what walking around in them is like. I hope this video has helped you. I'm going to go now and enjoy Scott's birthday weekend. If you've got the boots and you've been walking around in them, let me know. I need to talk to Sanj, because I know Sanji wears them a lot. I'd be like, don't your feet hurt? We'll see.